Okay.
Alright, here we are at the Art at the Barn, and this is Kim with Essential Soap. I have all my soaps laid out today. I've left them in their containers because we had just a little bit of rain this morning. And I told my YouTube viewers that I would check out my Deep Forest Peppermint Soap to see how hard it was. And it's good and hard. And good and hard. And you know, when we made this, I mean, you can't put a dent in it. It is hard. It is ready to go. And that is our goat's milk soap that we made on warm in the large crock pot. And so you can see those 3 videos of how to make goat's milk soap without burning it on warm, so that the goat's milk doesn't still smell all skanky, and also to help prevent separation, which occurs. It's where the milk turns into buttermilk inside your crock pot when you're making hot processed goat's milk. So check that out on my channel, and in a little bit I'm going to take you around and show you the rest of the market, and put that on my channel and add it to this video. So please hit the like button, please subscribe, and please give me your comments. That's okay, I'll go in front of you. No, we've had a band. I couldn't do a recording though while they were playing, because YouTube has new laws, and I would have to go get them to sign a piece of paper. I had permission to put this on YouTube with them playing, because that music belongs to them and not to me. And here we are at the Art at the Barn. And here is Essential Soap. With the way the sun is, I don't know if you can even see the soap bars. We have a wonderful lady with flowers and plants. And here is our soaps today. We're all set up at the Art at the Barn. We had a bunch of rain, so I've kept my soap in the boxes. So for a quick getaway. But the sun is shining now. And there's even more vendors around the curve. When my mom gets here and finds me, I'm going to try to take some video so that y'all can see more of the Art at the Barn in Valley Head, Alabama Craft Festival. No, it's an art show and artisan, that's right. And maybe they will be taking a break so we can video some more.
Everybody, I'm Cheese, son of the soap lady. This is Art at the Barn here in Valley Head, Hammondsville area. We're gonna walk around and look at some cool stuff. Here's some people, they're buying stuff. This is awesome. They have Art at the Barn every year. It started out small, but now it's gotten pretty large, as you can see. Ish. You can make it bigger. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Cool stuff made out of gourds.
Who would have guessed?
This is some of the cool stuff you'll find here at Art at the Barn.
What out here?
He's probably telling.
I understand how this dog works, but I don't understand.
Dun, 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 dun. Yes, last size. Cool dangly stuff. Dun, 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 dun.
We've got a permanent spot there, so we use it there. So we're not doing something like this. All right.
Dun, 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 dun. Camp Creek Collections. Woo. Cool stuff. Are you good? I'll get to be on YouTube. Yay! Wood stuff. Stuff with honey bears. Cool wood signs. Yay! Cornbread. Pictures. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Talk.
The gallery.
Also, the baked goods are now half the price.
Baked goods are now half price. Well, these baked goods are set in the sun for a little bit.
Oh, sorry.
You all get to be on YouTube, yes. Okay. Everybody, because I do not want to walk completely around this, although I do love you just as much as my mother does, we shall just do a broad view of where I've been. Holy crap.
Way down there.
Where I could go. Not a chance. Too hot, I'm sorry. You guys are awesome though. If you come, they've got food too. Good food. You ever had a lemon sausage pizza? I haven't, but I did today, and it's awesome. Now we're going to conclude and come back to Mom because I've had enough. Cool stuff. Oh, sorry, it's cool.
Hamburger break.
And back to the soap. She's having one of them lamb burgers. It's amazing. Okay. This is a demonstration on lamb herding that they do here.
What he'll do, he will work himself to death if in this hot weather, unless you stop it, heat exhaustion.
So you taking him swimming now?
All right, you got any questions?
Oh, there's a great picture.
Hello everyone here at YouTube. I just wanted to let you know that I'm back from the Art at the Barn. I had a wonderful day. I sold a lot of soap, made a lot of wonderful people, and I made a lot of great contacts. So if anybody is thinking of setting up at Art at the Barn next year, I highly recommend it. I went to their website, it's Sweet Seasons Farms, and I contacted the owner through that route. And I hope you've enjoyed the video. I was so covered up that I was not able to walk around the market and make video for you. I did give the camera to my son, and I hope you've enjoyed his antics. I'm going to go take a nap. And please comment. Please press the like button. Please subscribe. Please watch all my videos on how to make soap. And I normally sell regularly at the Mentone Farmers Market on Saturday in Mentone, Alabama. If you're ever that way, please come and see me and let me know you found me on YouTube. You can also buy my soap online. Just contact me through my channel and I'll send you a link. And I hope you've enjoyed this video.